All features which may cause an auto-activation, such as preset alarms, must be deactivated before devices are switched off. These devices should not be charged during the flight and must be stowed where you can keep an eye on them at all times. Liquids must be placed under the seat in front of you. Please switch off all electronic devices which are not in use and stow them with your hand luggage in the overhead lockers, under the seat in front of you, or in your seat pocket. Please fasten your seat belts now, adjust the backrests of your seats to an upright position, fold up your tables, and open your window blinds. Thank you.
You like it? It's comfortable.